If you told me you're going to mix classical design details with modern art, a Chinese-inspired closet, Art Deco furniture, a 70s retro bed, modern furniture, and some funky lighting, I'd say it sounds like a cluster. Is it? Our Best Hotels in LA series continues with a stop at the Palihotel, Westwood Village. Let's spend the night together. Do people stay here because of the hotel's Art Deco charm? Maybe because there's a world-class modern art museum around the corner, or maybe you're here because your kid just got into one of the world's top universities. Let's find out. All right, let's get you all oriented. The Palihotel Westwood Village is a 55-room boutique hotel close to UCLA and just below Beverly Hills and Bel Aire. This historic Art Deco gem was Westwood's first ever hotel, and the owners have managed to retain this classy lady's Art Deco charm, but with some modern twists. In addition to touring the hotel, we'll also show you a couple of things to do in this neighborhood. You might be surprised. And how about a lightning tour of UCLA itself? And find out how my quest to find the best pillow in LA goes. I think what I like most about this hotel is the Art Deco building itself. They've done a great job preserving the building's character with this awning, but also the landscaping. And I like the addition of these hangout chairs on the front patio. Before I show you the room, remember that the Swank Guide's here to help you find the best hotel for you. We'd be grateful if you could help us out by liking this video and please subscribe. Thanks. Rooms here start at $250 a night for a standard room. I had the larger Garden King, one step up from the standard. And here's a pro tip. Spend the extra $50 a night for this kind of room. It's much larger than the basic room, and you're probably getting 50% more room for $50 more per night. Worth it, methinks. My favorite thing about this room is the rounded window alcove thing. It lets in lots of light, you can see out to the nice garden, and I really like how they've added this modern furniture that complements the old-time windows. And I also appreciate how they've preserved these kinds of details. Alright, let's talk about the bed for a second. I, for one, am a big fan of this retro 70s style bed with the curved headboard. And the best part of the bed? These are the best pillows I've had in LA. They're soft and they're smushy. They're really, really nice. But nothing's perfect. Blackout curtains aren't that great. They let a lot of light in. You've done a great job with the Art Deco furniture in here matching the building. But then throwing in these modern retro touches, I think it really works. Over here, an old-time phone, coffee, some water, and then a very nice assortment of snacks. All right, the closet's small, but it's got a really pretty lining. Actually, I've never seen such a pretty lining in a closet. And then a fully stocked mini bar. Thank you. I kind of like how the bathroom's separated with the sink out here and the rest in here. There's a nice walk-in shower and good bath products. Like I said in the beginning, I would never, ever, ever mix classical details like this crown molding with this modern furniture, with this Chinese painting thing in the closet, with this 70s bed, but somehow it all works. And works really well, I think. Good thing I'm a hotel critic and not an interior designer. Okay, so you check in here, and I have to say that the art behind the check-in desk made me smile. The check-in area doubles as the breakfast bar / coffee bar, and the coffee's complimentary all day, by the way. You can get some work done out here, and the Wi-Fi clocks in at over 30 Mbps. Like the room, they've done a nice job of mixing modern decor and keeping the Art Deco feeling of the place. They have some nice books to check out, and I like the mix of old and modern art too. You can have breakfast at the bar or at this long table next to the alcove. The lighting's a mashup of the old Art Deco fixtures with some modern fixtures too. It all seems to work, but don't ask me why. Even though the hotel's in a residential area, it's less than a 5-minute walk to the Westwood Village main drag. There are lots of options here: cafes, groceries, shops, and restaurants. And right around the corner is the Hammer Museum, one of LA's best modern and alternative art venues. The main UCLA campus is a 5-minute drive away through a nice residential neighborhood. The UCLA campus is a lot prettier than I ever imagined. I don't know, for some reason I assumed it would be more urban. Anyway, it's its own little oasis in the middle of LA. If you want to go just a bit further, the Getty Museum's right up the road and is one of my favorite spots in LA. It's a great art museum in its own right, but there's something about this 80s architecture that I love. And the views are good too. After your fabulous outings, it's time to relax in the garden. I appreciate the options they have for sitting outside. You can sit on the front porch or in this nice garden on the side of the hotel. Okay, I hope this tour was helpful. You can grab a free PDF off our website if you need more info. There's a link below. And as always, be kind and subscribe. See you in the next video.